Welcome to World AI Travel. I'm Bella, your guide to a cinematic journey through Europe's 15 must-visit destinations. In this special video, we'll explore the enchanting tales woven into each location, from the iconic Eiffel Tower in Paris to the historic streets of Buda in Budapest. Join me as we embark on a visual odyssey, uncovering the unique charm and cultural tapestry that make these European gems truly extraordinary. Get ready to be captivated by the beauty, history, and allure of these hand-picked destinations: Paris, France, Eiffel Tower, and Louvre. Experience the magic of Paris as you ascend the Eiffel Tower, witnessing the city's splendor. The Louvre, a cultural beacon, immerses you in a world of artistic wonders. Each step echoes with the footsteps of history, making Paris an unparalleled destination for lovers of art and romance. Rome, Italy, Colosseum and Roman Forum. Step into the past in Rome, where the Colosseum narrates tales of epic battles. The Roman Forum, a civic center of antiquity, invites you to wander through the remnants of temples and basilicas, unveiling the rich tapestry of Roman civilization. Immerse yourself in the history of this eternal metropolis: Barcelona, Spain, Sagrada Família, and Park Güell. Embark on a journey through Barcelona's artistic wonders. The Sagrada Família, a perpetual work in progress, captivates with its unique design and spiritual ambiance. Meanwhile, Park Güell enchants with its surreal landscapes, a testament to Gaudí's creative genius. Together, they paint a vivid picture of Barcelona's architectural and artistic richness. London, United Kingdom, Tower Bridge, and the British Museum. Discover the essence of London through its landmarks. Tower Bridge, with its timeless elegance, offers a dynamic perspective of the city's riverfront. Meanwhile, the British Museum, a cultural epicenter, invites exploration into the diverse tapestry of human heritage. London's juxtaposition of tradition and innovation unfolds in these iconic destinations. Amsterdam, Netherlands, Canals, and the Van Gogh Museum. Embark on a scenic voyage along Amsterdam's canals, where each waterway tells a story of the city's past and present. Meanwhile, the Van Gogh Museum invites art enthusiasts to delve into the vivid world of the iconic painter. Amsterdam's blend of natural beauty and artistic expression unfolds in these two captivating destinations. St. Petersburg, Russia. The State Hermitage Museum and Catherine Palace in Tsarskoye, Selo. Immerse yourself in the grandeur of St. Petersburg. The State Hermitage Museum, with its regal setting, unfolds the artistic tapestry of humanity. Meanwhile, Tsarskoye Selo, a jewel in Russian architecture, offers a glimpse into the extravagant lifestyle of the imperial court. Together, they epitomize the cultural richness of this historical city. Dubrovnik, Croatia, the Old Town and the city walls. Step into the enchanting Old Town of Dubrovnik, where every stone tells a story of the city's rich history. Wander through its well-preserved streets, experiencing the timeless beauty of landmarks that have withstood the test of time. Ascend the formidable city walls for panoramic vistas, and you'll be transported to an era of maritime glory and architectural splendor. Prague, Czech Republic, Prague Castle and Charles Bridge. Explore the enchanting Prague Castle, where history breathes through architectural marvels and cobblestone streets. Stroll along the Charles Bridge, an ageless link between the castle and the old town, adorned with sculptures and providing a captivating panorama of the city. Prague's allure lies in its rich history, seamlessly woven into the fabric of these iconic sites. Athens, Greece. The Acropolis and the Agora journey through the ages in Athens. The Acropolis, a beacon of classical artistry, invites contemplation of its Doric columns and historical significance. Explore the Agora, where the pulse of ancient Athenian life still resonates amid the ruins. Athens, with its rich heritage, epitomizes the birthplace of democracy and the arts. Friends, we've reached the halfway point in our countdown. If you enjoyed the video and want to stay tuned for our future adventures, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This way, you won't miss out on our upcoming content, and you'll greatly contribute to the growth of our channel. Thank you in advance for your support. Vienna, Austria, Schönbrunn Palace and Belvedere Palace. Step into the imperial past of Vienna with Schönbrunn Palace, where each room whispers tales of bygone royalty. Meanwhile, the Belvedere Palace charms with its artistic treasures and picturesque landscapes. Vienna's palaces are not just architectural wonders, but portals to the city's rich history and cultural legacy. Copenhagen, Denmark. The Little Mermaid and Tivoli Gardens. Discover the allure of Copenhagen through its iconic symbols. The Little Mermaid, a delicate sculpture by the sea, captures the city's literary charm. Meanwhile, Tivoli Gardens, a lively amusement park, provides a whimsical escape into a world of fun and fantasy. Copenhagen seamlessly blends its literary heritage with contemporary joy. Berlin, Germany, Brandenburg Gate, and the Berlin Wall Museum. Witness the evolution of Berlin through the Brandenburg Gate, a testament to resilience and unity. Explore the Berlin Wall Museum at Checkpoint Charlie, where the stories of the divided city come to life. Berlin's landmarks stand as reminders of a turbulent history, now transformed into symbols of hope and reconciliation. Budapest, Hungary, Fisherman's Bastion, and the streets of Buda. Ascend to the heights of Budapest with Fisherman's Bastion, where the city unfolds in a panorama of architectural splendor. Explore the winding streets of Buda, where history and culture converge in a tapestry of charming alleys and markets. Budapest's dual charm lies in its panoramic vistas and the intimate embrace of its historic neighborhoods. Brussels, Belgium, Grand Place and Mannequin Peas. Discover the grandeur of Brussels at the Grand Place, where history and architecture converge in a breathtaking display. On a more whimsical note, encounter the charm of Mannequin Piss, a small statue with a big personality embodying the city's unique sense of humor. Brussels, with its blend of grandeur and playfulness, invites exploration and appreciation. Lisbon, Portugal, Tagus Riverfront, Tahana, and the 25th of April Bridge. Explore Lisbon's dynamic riverfront at Tahana, where the past meets the present in a tapestry of architecture, culture, and gastronomy. Cross the 25th of April Bridge for breathtaking views and a sense of connection between Lisbon's history and its forward-looking spirit. Lisbon's charm lies not only in its landscapes, but in the harmonious blend of tradition and modern life along the Tagus. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey. If you enjoyed the sincere beauty of these places, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. And now, your participation is crucial. Vote for your favorite spot and let us know where you'd like us to go next time. To stay tuned for future adventures, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to be the first to know about our new videos, and don't forget to vote for the next destination. On your screen, you'll see 2 videos. Choose which one to watch and enjoy the next adventure with World AI Travel. Thank you for your active contribution to our community. See you soon, travel enthusiasts.